So how to install IHSS EVV mobile app? So just tap get and then you should be able to install it, to quickly install it on your iPhone iOS. This is the app for California in-home supportive services, IHSS program, electronic visit verification solution. And it just simplifies the check-in at the beginning and check-out at the end of each workday for a recipient. And then they provide services for with simple, easy to use screens. Providers are guided step by step to choose the recipient they are working for, if they would like to check in or check out, and select if they are in the home or in the community. Additionally, the app will conveniently add the provider's hours to their IHSS timesheet at the end of their workday. While the app captures the start time, end time, and location, it doesn't track the provider during the visit or at any other time. It simply takes a snapshot of the location by then check-in at the beginning and check out. That's the app. If you're working in that sphere, definitely give it a try. You can see like that. That's how the check-in works. Just two big buttons, check-in and check-out. Select a recipient to check out recipient, and then you will see the recipient name, ID, program, hours worked, and all of that. And then there is like a dark theme. So that's basically, yeah, if you're working in this area, definitely get this app. It's quite convenient. And then you can just tap start, and then that's how you log in with electronic services portal, and then just enter username, password. You need to already have an account to log in.